Hi everyone, in this part of the video let's study about Article 15 of Indian Constitution polity. Okay, let's start. What does Article 15 say? Article 15 say that the state shall not discriminate any person. The person should be citizen. The state shall not discriminate any citizen only on the grounds of caste, religion, place of birth and race. Okay, only on these grounds, with respect to these reasons, the state shall not discriminate any citizen. This is clause 1. This is available only against the state. Whereas the clause 2 of Article 15, what does it say? It says that no person shall be restricted to access public wells, shops, restaurants, etc. Okay, only on the grounds of caste, religion, race, place of birth. This is available against any private individual, private person. Okay, whereas the clause 1 of Article 15 is available against the state. Suppose if a state discriminates any citizen, then the citizen can go to High Court or Supreme Court for enforcing his fundamental right. Okay, whereas with respect to clause 2, he can go to High Court or Supreme Court against the private individual for enforcing his private fundamental right. Okay, these are clause 1 and clause 2. Okay, now there are certain exceptions. What are the exceptions in Article 15? Let's study that. Here the state can make reasonable, like the differentiation can be done. Like how the state can make special provisions for women and children, such as the state can make a reservation for women, the state can make free education for children, but these can't be allowed for men. Here the state is making discrimination, right? The state is discriminating, but these are exceptions. Okay, where the state can discriminate for women and children for their welfare. Where the second exception is the state can make special provision for the advancement of socially and educationally backward sections, SC and STs. For these people, the state can make special provisions such as reservation of seats in educational institutions, or providing them seats like reservation in the posts in the government services. So these are not taken as discrimination, these are positive discrimination. So in order to provide a proper field, suppose if one particular sections of people are like forward in the society, socially forward, then in order to provide the equal platform to the less forward people, these reservations are made. Okay, so that they are on the same platform. As we all know, the fundamental rights try to establish the equality among the people. Okay, now what is the next exception? The state can make special provisions for the advancement of socially and educationally backward section, like for OBCs, the backward sections, SC, STs. The state can make reservations in the educational institutions, and the educational institutions is both run by state and private. The reservations can be made, but it can't be made in the minority educational institutions. It can't be made in the minority educational institutions. This was enacted in 2005. Okay, accordingly, the government enacted Central Educational Institutions Act, where in the central education institutions such as IITs, IIMs, the seats are reserved for backward classes, OBC, up to 27%, SC, STs and all. Okay, so Supreme Court upheld this reservation status with respect to this act by the government, and told that the creamy layer should be excluded from the OBC section. The creamy layer should be excluded. What is the creamy layer? The persons whose parents holding the constitutional post, such as High Court judge, Supreme Court judge, president. Okay, these are the governors, these are the constitutional posts. The parents holding constitutional post, 11 or 11-2 post in All India services such as IAS, IPS, banks, bank managers, and all. Level 1 and level 2 post here. The parents with colonial and above rank in army, and the person should not hold agricultural land within certain limit, which should hold within certain limit, and no flat or land in urban areas. Family income should be less than 8 lakhs. So these persons, the person satisfying these conditions is included in creamy layer, and those person can't get the benefits of this. Okay, that is with respect to this exception. What is the next exception? The next exception is with respect to the it states that it states that the state can make special provision for the advancement of economically weaker sections. Okay, the economical poor sections, economically weaker sections, for the reservation of seats in the educational institutions. But the reservations of the seats in the education institution, which are both government educational and private educational institutions, but are not minority educational institutions. The education institutions which are run by minorities, such as madrasas and all, there you can't reserve seats for the economically weaker sections or OBCs or SC/STs. Okay, these benefits are available to only those people who are not coming under SC/ST or OBC scheme. They should not be under SC/ST OBC scheme, and they should have following conditions. They should have less than 5 acres of land. Family income should be less than 8 lakh. Flat should be, like residential flat should be less than 1000 square feet. If they own a land, okay, in the urban areas, it should be less than 100 yards. That is in municipality notified areas, that is urban. And municipality non-notified areas, it should be less than 200 yards. Okay, so if a person is going to register himself in economical weaker section, he must provide details of all his family members. Okay, so all the properties which are owned by them will be attested. Okay, so that is with respect to this exception. These exceptions are made to act as a level playing field. So everyone grows together, everyone progresses together. Like, let me share you like one best thing. Why these acts are made? As we all know, the preamble of the Constitution, which gives summary of our constitutions, its ultimate aim is like in the preamble we have to secure all its citizen, all the people, justice. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, secular, socialist republic and secure all its citizens, justice. Open the preamble page. Justice. There are 3 types of justice: social justice, political justice, and economical justice. So social justice means comes here where certain reservations in the educational and government posts are made, so that the socially backward people will be given a level playing field, so that they should also be considered equal among the others, and togetherly all will have an equal platform to participate. For that, these reservations are made. Okay, as we all know, the DPSP of our constitutions talks about social and economic democracy. Okay, and through social and economic democracy, we should be a welfare state. Okay, that is with respect to Article 15. I have covered some extra part also for your understanding. If you have any doubt or confusion with respect to this, please watch my videos on DPSPs and preamble. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And also I'll be uploading videos on each topic every day. Please hit the bell icon so it will reach you. I'll be covering polity, geography, economics and history subjects. Okay, I'll make respective playlist. Okay, you can view on that. So thank you.